Hello, good day. This is our device, a RFID door lock unlocker.
So this is our device, and as you can see there is a square hole, and that is the RFID scanner. Where do I put this RFID card to open it? It will serve as a key. As you can see, by tapping the card to the RFID, allow us to open the lock. So this is the Arduino Uno LCD, which allow us to this status if it's open or closed. And this is the RFID scanner or module. And this is the door lock and the servo motor. The function of the RFID scanner is like a switch that triggers the servo motor to move forward and backward. As you can see, when the servo motor moves forward, it's locked, and backward, it is open. And I will explain what is an RFID lock. RFID is an acronym for Radio Frequency Identification. This refers to non-contact technology which electromagnetic fields within a reader automatically identify digital encoded within RFID tags. In the case of RFID door lock, the key, usually in the form of card or fob, is the tag. And how do RFID locks work? RFID keycard transmit a signal on specific frequency to the card reader via a smart chip embedded inside the plastic. There will be typically a reader attached to the door which reads the information stored on the card and releases the door lock when the card is presented within a sufficient proximity of the reader. Once the lock has been released, the door can be opened and will automatically lock once the door is closed again. Also, where are RFID locks typically used? The nature of this lock makes it a great choice for access control in many different industries and applications. They can be used for member access to facilities such as gyms, educational institutions, and hospitals. The locks are also suitable for securing enclosures and storage lockers and cabinets. Benefits of RFID keyless locks entry. There are many advantages to using keyless entry locks for businesses over traditional lock and key entry electronic door using RFID technology offer convenience and added security benefits for including security. RFID key cards are much harder to copy than traditional keys, so offer peace and of mind where unauthorized users are concerned. For example, if a former member of staff had an extra keycard, they could gain access to building without authorization once they had returned their original key. Keycard can also be deactivated to prevent an access entry to a building or access to storage locker.